Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I have just ordered my first Morphe palette and it has literally just arrived. I'm a bit concerned because as you can see this. But anyway, let's get it open and have a look. Bubble wrap. And here it is. So I got the 350 Nature Glow. I did want the 35B, but it's nowhere to be found. So I got this one, which I think is pretty much similar with all like the neutral tones. But yes, I'm so excited. I'm actually really happy with the size of the pans. As you can see, have a look at this. This brown looks interesting. So yeah, I'm really happy I decided to finally get one. I've been wanting to get one forever, but I don't know why I didn't get one. But I have one now, so I think I might do a little look with this. I'm probably just going to do a natural one or toned down look. So for brushes, I'm going to use my Zoeva brushes. I've picked out all the eyeshadow ones. I've already put my foundation and set my face and everything, so we'll be using them. Let's get painting the eyes. I'm now just going to darken it up a bit, I think, with this colour right here in the crease again. We're going to smoke it out even more, I think, with which colour should we go for? We'll go for this one here, that one. Use this colour with the 225 Zoeva brush. We're going to see how it goes on dry and then maybe wet the brush a little bit. So we're going to take that in the middle. Just blend that in the corner first and then take it just a little bit over the shimmer so we can blend that as well. Right, we're going to go into this colour here. I'm going to go under the eye. Okay, so that's that. I think we are just going to do a bit of a mascara and an eyeliner, so I'm going to do that and then I'll come back to you. So as you can see, I've done my eyeliner and eyelashes, and now we're just going to go in with a bit of lip. I've got the NYX Lingerie in the colour Exotic, so we're just going to put that on now. my finished look. I am really impressed with the palette. I don't know why it took me so long to get one, but I have one now and I'm really happy. So if you would like to keep on watching my videos, just please subscribe to my channel, and I'd also love some feedback, even if it's just comments on different ideas, and give the video a thumbs up as well, please. So I will see you in my next video, and I'm going to keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.